how to remove items from cart on Wayfair. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can remove items from cart on Wayfair. And so to do so, it's very simple. The first step is to log in into your Wayfair account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. On this page, you can see a number of things that you can get on Wayfair at affordable prices. And so as you can see that next step is to go to where your cart is located, which is the top right corner of the screen next to your account icon, and then just click on it. So that clicking on it, a small box will appear on the screen. Ensure you click on review full cart so that you can see the cart properly. And so once you can see that for each product, all you need to do is to move to the right side. By moving to the right side, you will see two options there: save for later, remove. As you can see, for all of the items that you have on the screen. So you can just decide to go ahead and remove the one that you want. So by clicking on remove, the item would be removed automatically from your cart, just like that, as you can see. So this is how you can remove an item from your cart on Wayfair. Thank you for watching and have a good day.